This isn't just a car, it's Toyota's answer to the true enthusiast. Meet the 2025 Toyota GR86 Custom Edition, where precision meets power. With its wide stance, sculpted carbon hood vents, and lowered aerodynamic body kit, this GR86 doesn't just sit, it crouches like it's ready to pounce. The custom bodywork enhances airflow, and that deep blue finish glows under sunlight like a hidden gem. Under the hood, a naturally aspirated 2.4-liter flat-4 boxer engine, pushing out 228 horsepower. Rear-wheel drive, 6-speed manual, and that razor-sharp handling Toyota fans swear by. 0 to 100 in just over 6 seconds, and pure analog driving feel. In a world of digital distractions and synthetic steering, the GR86 is refreshingly real. It's a throwback to the driver's seat, raw, balanced, and brutally fun. If you love driving more than just getting from A to B, hit like and subscribe to Car Route 360. This is just the beginning.